Will you push the button?
You'll always be the ideal weight/BMI, but all food tastes like total shit. Will you push the button? You can see the future, but you forget the past. Will you push the button? Travel the world for free with anyone you want. But if you stop traveling for half a year, you will instantly die along with whoever you take with you. Plus, you can't return to a location you've already been to. Will you push the button? You can get any game a month before the release, but you can't play online. Will you push the button?